Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone so the AI runs reliably. Update the OS, free storage, and grant mic, camera, and storage permissions. This avoids runtime failures. Once done, install a reputable AI app or companion and sign in with your account so models can personalize results. Make sure background app refresh is enabled for real-time features. This initial preparation lets you focus on interaction rather than troubleshooting, and it speeds up model responses on mobile hardware. Next, configure the app to match your needs and device limits. Choose a lightweight model for battery saving or the full model for better accuracy. This balances speed versus quality. Once configured, connect to stable Wi-Fi for cloud inference or download offline packs if you need on-device processing. Then set privacy and sync options so your prompts and history behave as you expect. After that, test a short query to confirm latency, audio input, and output quality before deeper use. Now use the AI for real work. Speak or type clear prompts, include constraints, and iterate with follow-ups to refine results. Save successful prompts as templates and create home screen shortcuts to speed recurring tasks like summaries or drafts. For longer sessions, monitor battery and temperature. Switch to low power mode when needed. If something breaks, restart the app, confirm permissions and network, then clear cache. That resolves most faults. If problems persist, reinstall the app to reset corrupted components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.